If you are looking for a great pair of polarized sunglasses that are super lightweight, look really, really nice, and fit great, you're absolutely going to love these. I love these. This is how they are on right over here. You can see that. I love the fact that they're lightweight. These are not going anywhere if I'm just shaking my head like crazy, which is nice. You don't have to worry about that at all. Cool part too is this is everything you're gonna get. So not only do you get the sunglasses, which a little closer look here, I kind of like that little brown that they got going on the inside. These do come in different colors as well. You got a nice little cloth right here to wipe it off. Also comes with a carrying bag as well, so you can just throw them in there. Some instructions right here, and it comes in this box. I like this box and kind of the whole packaging going on, because if you wanted to give this as a gift, this looks super high end, which is absolutely great. So if you're looking for a great pair of polarizing sunglasses that work really nice, fit really good, and look stylish, definitely check these out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending these over so I could do this review.